On top our tori for today, President Muhammadu Buhari don tok say economic recovery and growth plan na im go make economy matter stand well. President Muhammadu Buhari tok dis one for Liberia 172nd independence anniversary. If na remember say President Muhammadu Buhari na special guest of honour for dis ogbonge event and e con still dey there gidigba to receive award, the one wey stand say e na better African leader. Buhari tok say wetin oyinbo dey call economic and recovery growth plan na wetin im own administration launch for 2017, and dem do dis one as e help create better environment for growth, security and economy matter make Tanda gidigba. Economic and recovery growth plan na plan wey dey ground to see say economy matter for the country waka well, and everything wey the country don fair lose before, everything dey get am back, as the oyinbo dey talk recovery plan. President tell dem for Liberia say im administration don see say for Naija to waka well and for economy to tanda well na to see say ogbonge policies dey ground, the one wey go carry dis plan waka and go give better result for the country. E talk say Naija government don try many options, the one wey go help solve economy matter, and na im dem shook eye for wetin dey cause corruption, and dem try solve am, and dem still dey work on top dis one, and dem still try their best to make sure say dem no depend on top one area to say dey bring money for Nigeria like oil, and dem con create many options, the one wey go make money waka well for the country. For dis ogbonge event, dem celebrate President Muhammadu Buhari with award wey dem call the most venerable order of the knighthood of pioneers of Republic of Liberia with grade of the Knight Grand Condor, and dis one na the biggest award wey Liberia get, and President Buhari collect am on behalf of Nigeria and other people wey don work well to see say Liberia get peace and e stand gidigba with im 2 legs. Buhari thank dem well for dis award and promise say im go continue to dey work and see say cooperation dey between Naija and dem and other African countries, the one wey dey call the sub-regions. E con tell Liberia Presido say make dem try copy Naija style on top economy matter, as e be say dis one go help am grow. Con say make dem develop their rubber and iron ore sector, the one wey be say better money go come, and make dem still throway body put on top development partners well on top money wey dey go take dey build the country. President Buhari talk say e dey very important make dem sabi manage wetin oyinbo dey call human resources, and make dem throway better money put for agriculture, tourism and other sectors wey go make the country grow well. Na here we see the better information reach on top our tori for today, as President Muhammadu Buhari don talk for Liberia 172nd independence anniversary say economic recovery and growth plan na im dey make economy matter stand well for any country. Make una no forget say dis ogbonge information una receive so na T-Live Media na im bring am come gidigba put for una, and to continue to dey get dis updates as e dey hot on top our tori for today. Make una no forget to subscribe, like and comment on top our videos for T-Live Media TV. Una fit still follow us for our page on Facebook for T-Live Media, and una fit still log on to our website for www.tlivemedia.com to dey get ogbonge updates.